In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Power BI reports online for free. By the end, you'll have your report uploaded to the Power BI online service so you can access it in a browser and manage it from anywhere. I'll guide you through each click and share helpful tips along the way to keep everything smooth and secure. First, open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're on a recent version so the publish process works without surprises. When Power BI opens, give it a moment to load your environment. Next, open your report. This is your PBIX file with all your visuals and data model. Before you move forward, do a quick health check. Confirm your visuals look right, filters behave as expected, and your data is up to date. If your report connects to external sources, verify that those connections are valid and that you're comfortable with the data being uploaded. Avoid including any confidential or personally identifiable information if you intend to make the report broadly accessible. Now click on the Home tab at the top of Power BI Desktop. The Home ribbon brings together the most common actions, and this is where the Publish button lives. Take a quick look around so you know where refresh and save controls are as well, since these often come into play when preparing a report for upload. Click on Publish. If you're not signed in, Power BI will prompt you to log in. After that, a dialog will appear asking where to publish. Choose the workspace that fits your needs. Publishing to your personal workspace is a simple way to keep things free and straightforward. This action uploads a copy of your report and its dataset to the Power BI online service. Depending on your organization's policies and your license, sharing options may vary. Keep in mind that Publish to Web is a separate feature that makes reports publicly accessible and should only be used when you're comfortable with anyone on the internet viewing your content. Finally, click on Save. Power BI may ask you to save before publishing if there are unsaved changes. Saving ensures the version on your computer matches what you've uploaded, which makes future edits and republishing predictable and consistent. Once the upload completes, you'll see a success message with a link to open the report online. From there, you can view it in your browser, adjust settings, and manage access according to your permissions. If you run into issues, check that you're signed in with the correct account and that you have permission for the selected workspace. And that's it. Your Power BI report is now online for free and ready to use.